What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're going to be working on the S13 some more. A lot of the rust is gone, thank God. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys, but for the start of this video, what we're going to do is work on the wire harness that are under the fender wells in the front. I want to be tucking them so that I can drop the car lower. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the progress. So proud. Thanks to my cousin for helping on the windshield part. But yeah, let me just show you. Hey, so we got where I did. I had my cousin help me over here. There's a fat hole. Remove the whole windshield. We didn't really record all of this because it didn't really make sense to. The hole's gone. It was actually over here. He had to grind under. Windshield back on. Right now I just wire wheeled these and I'm gonna paint them white. I don't know, I might just leave them primer, honestly. The whole goal was to just repair the rust and stop it, and then when I take it to a body shop to actually get it painted, then I'm gonna have them do it right way. So for the fenders, I'm gonna be doing both sides. There's clips that hold them. I already took them off. I'm gonna notch, I think, right about here with a angle grinder, tuck it up, and then zip tie it. Same thing for the driver's side. There. I also repaired the rust on the fenders, paint them white rattle can. They came out okay for what it was. I will be doing the over fenders sometime later. Front bumper, I attempted to fiberglass it, but it didn't dry properly, so it's like misaligned, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna have to redo that. Rear bumper is all good, just need it to dry, and then I'm gonna sand it and then put some Bondo over, and then rattle can it white as well. So much progress within the last week on the car. Pretty proud. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the angle grinder and start cutting where I'm gonna put the wires. From what it looks like, it's gonna be right here. So yeah, here we go. Alright, got it notched out, kind of shaved over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down with sandpaper so that it's not as sharp, because I just put a brand new wrap of electrical tape. Look at this. No idea what this is for, but I'm gonna drill like a hole right here, zip tie it, add another zip tie maybe right here through this hole, and the hood latch there, and I think the back's okay, but I might zip tie it at least together all here as one. Yeah, I'm gonna primer this or shoot it with some paint so it doesn't rust, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other side real quick and I'll show you. Right, here's how we're looking. Got them all zip tied, both sides. Sick. So I think I know why it's pulling. So over here you can see it's cambered slightly. This one has like zero camber. So I'm thinking, since it's cambered out, that's why when I turn to the right, kind of just like, I guess like it grabs more because the tire goes like this. And it just wants to go that way. So pray that that's the problem. So now that that's done, I think I will be going to attempt to putting the doors on. I was trying to do it before Rihanna went to work, but no luck. These are heavy. You guys saw me struggling in the time lapse for the other video, but I'm gonna start with the passenger side first. Hey, we got the doors on. Got some help, so that was nice. Hey. Got them aligned to the body line and close perfect. Sick. Got the connectors plugged in. I don't think I'm gonna put the dash in anytime soon, or at least not at the moment. What else? Let's see. So I think we're ready to put the fenders on. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of line it up and actually see if I have any bolt that can fit in the normal hole, because those long screws are not the move. Both fenders are in. So I was able to get a bolt for here and a bolt for here. Both sides. That one I'm using screw right now till I can find a bolt. Just gotta find one more. I have a whole bucket row. But both fenders on the very bottom where they bolt together on the actual body. This car was like, it was smashed flat when I was removing the fenders. So remember I had to like kind of pry it and then cut the screws that they use. So right now this one is being held by a zip tie, unfortunately, till I can figure out how to mount it nicely. But it's sitting pretty flush. It got kind of like warped from just being off the car and like all over the place. So I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much try to put these brackets back on for the headlights. The bumper I don't think I will be putting on. Like I said, I have to redo the fiberglassing. Rear bumper as well, I need to sand it down. But I think that is gonna be it for this video. So hyped. Stay tuned for the next video because I will be installing some coilovers. Actually, if the car is unlocked. Right here, I got some coilovers. Godspeed Mono SS. They have 6K springs, I think in the front and then 8 in the rear, or the other way around. And they have dampening. I got it for 150 bucks. Yes, it's Godspeed, and there may or may not be the most reasonable, I guess, one to put on. But it is something. 150 bucks, you cannot go wrong. And plus, it'll be able to drop lower because I don't have springs right now anyway. Give you one last look at the fenders. Hey, we're getting there, boys. We're getting there. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Shoots.